What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I got for you a lavalier microphone. So yes guys, this is a Pop Voice lavalier microphone PV610 Plus, according to the manufacturer there. It hooks up to your phone, tablet, computer, and desktop. So with a 4-pin to 3-pin adapter included, the mic will work on a PC, laptop, desk, or most recorders. We do best microphones. I don't know about that. We do not the best spelling, or we do not write the best sentences. Okay. If you guys have any questions, the website's there. Support is right there. You guys see that? So yeah, let's open this up. And this one was on the Amazon Prime sale or Prime Day. Wow. That is very fancy. You guys see that? Wow, nice bag. Oh wow, look, and this side says Pop Voice. Alright, so let's open this guy up. We're gonna test this on the camera right now. Hopefully this works. So, some instructions here. Happy, just like the other one. Pop Voice gives you a little step-by-step on how to record with this guy. Okay, throw that to the side. And the microphone seems pretty heavy. I don't like the fact the sponge is very weak and it'll come right off. I like the clip. Clip seems kind of sturdy. Very sturdy actually. So I like the clip, nice and strong. I like that it comes with its own little strap, and it also says Pop Voice right on it. So yeah, the cable is really long. This is a 6-foot long cable. So again, you got Pop Voice right on the connector there. Gold-plated connector. And let's take this off here. It's getting closer. Alright, so there's the microphone, the actual microphone right there. Looks pretty good. Looks very neat, very sturdy. So now let's test it out. Now I'm going to be hooking this up to the DSLR real quick so you guys can see the difference in audio. I hope it sounds good. So we'll test it out in a second. It also comes with these 3 color sponges, orange, red, and black. That's pretty neat. And the Pop Voice connector for your laptop. So we'll use that in a moment. Let's put the black. Let's put a red one on. I like the red one. Looks pretty cool. So you get an extra black one in there. It's nice. So let's put the red one on. Alright, so I got the red tip on there. So now we're going to test it out. Since we're going to be using it without the phone and directly onto the camera, we're going to have to hook up this mic input. There you go. So now this guy is going to go into the camera. So this is my voice without the Pop Voice, and this is going to be with the Pop Voice. Alright guys, so apparently it failed to record on my DSLR, so now I'm just recording separately. This is the audio coming from the lavalier microphone directly to my MacBook Pro on iMovie. Alright, so now this is the microphone from my MacBook Pro. So this is not the lavalier at all. This is just coming from the mic built into my MacBook. So again guys, that was the audio from this microphone. If you guys like this video, give it a like button. I'm going to be putting a link in the description below to pick up this guy on Amazon. Again, it comes with all kinds of tips. The plug for your computer, the plug for your phone. Go get one guys. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.